Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my surprise eggs and we'll open it together. I think these eggs will be more interesting for boys because, for example, the yellow one has an engineer inside and the red one has some random car inside. It is said here that these toys are made of metal, so that's why they're quite heavy, I must say. And also it is said that you cannot play these toys if you are not 3 years old or elder. So I think we can start opening. Let's check what's inside. Okay, let me start from the yellow one. As I said, it's quite heavy. And quite difficult to open it. As you see, they're very bright and colorful. Oh my god. I didn't want to do it, guys. I had to. Woohoo! As I said, it's in January here. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, let's check what's inside in the red one. As you hear, it's quite heavy too. It's more peaceful, I would say. I don't know how to pronounce it properly. Actually, it's like Lamborghini or Lamborghini. Yeah, and I like it very much. They can drive. I mean, you can play these toys like it's the usual toys we can see in the shop. Yeah, we have here, it's like, oh my god, sorry guys, it was a Porsche. I'm not very good in cars. And this one, you can drive it too. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe our channel. Love you.